So, good morning all together, ladies and gentlemen. Today we make our opening for the new Micro-MoFa 300 pigment paste system. Let me say, it's something like elegance meets economic. It's not enough to produce pigment paste in the normal dirty way. No, it must be cool and it must be good looking. That is the future of industrial revolution in 2014. I think we have something planned and designed what comes near to this. And now we are starting with our little light on music show. Say hello to our new Micro-MoFa 300, ladies and gentlemen. Now we will give it in the hands of the Hemmelrath paint company. And so I think my Micro-MoFa 300 is in good hands.
Thank you very much.
The Micro-MoFa 300 is the latest addition to the MoFa hardware family. It closes the gap between the Micro-MoFa 10, which is mainly used for laboratory development work, and the larger Mini-MoFa 1000 or Mini-MoFa 5000 with 5,000 litre batch sizes. The Micro-MoFa 300 can manufacture 300 litres of pigment paste within 30 minutes. It has the integral benefits of the MoFa technology, that is with the Conti TDS working in a closed system. There is no dirt or dust generated, there is no foam generated because all raw materials are added under the liquid level. And overall, we have much happier workers.